your son, he's dead. What? Did you kill him? No, I didn't. I think he fell off a cliff and then died with my stepsister. What? He's dead. Wait, Brown Dog's dead? Yeah, where's Sissy? Yeah. He's just a little 5-year-old. We have to get Beauty back now. They will attack you, no matter what. They don't want you in our clan. I tried to get Beauty back, but they said they wanted to show Beauty around. You're gonna have to leave until she comes back. We can't be alone without Beauty. Yeah.